In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sign-up forms in Zoho campaigns. This is a crucial step if you're looking to effectively capture leads and grow your email list. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding by the end. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Campaigns account. Now let's navigate to the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on the option that says Contacts. This is where you'll manage all your existing contacts and add new ones. Once you're in the Contacts section, find the Sign Up Forms option and click on it. This will take you to a new page dedicated to creating and managing forms. At the top right of this page, there is a button labeled Create New. Clicking this will begin the process of crafting a form tailored to your campaign's needs. After clicking Create New, you can rename your form to make it easily identifiable later on. Simply click on Edit next to the default name and type in your preferred name. Make sure it's something descriptive that relates to the purpose of your sign-up form. After you've entered the new name, hit the check sign or OK button to save it. Now that your form is named, click on the Form button. This option will guide you through setting up the structure and design of the form itself. Here, you will see an option that says Choose Template. This is where you can select a form design that fits your brand's aesthetic and functional needs. Once you click on Choose Template, a variety of templates will appear. Spend a few moments browsing through them until you find one that perfectly aligns with your vision. Once you've made a decision, select the template by clicking it. With your template chosen, the next step is to click on Use Template. This step effectively applies the design to your sign-up form. It's important to note that while the template provides a look and feel, you can further customize the form according to your specific needs. Now that your template is in place, click Save to make sure all your changes are stored. After saving, you'll be prompted with an option that says Save and Proceed. Clicking this will finalize your form creation process, enabling you to integrate it into your campaign strategy. By following these steps, you're now equipped with a sign-up form that can capture valuable information from your audience. This form will play a crucial role in expanding your subscriber list and enhancing engagement with your brand. Be sure to regularly revisit your forms, ensuring they remain aligned with your marketing objectives and audience needs. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on utilizing Zoho campaigns to its fullest potential.